Everybody, it's me, Batman 189 back with the basketball game. So tonight we're just gonna be making some shots. So hope you guys enjoy. Alright, oh my God, let's go. Okay, here we go. Oh, we're on opposite teams. 2-0. 2-point. Whoever gets the rebound, you two are against me, but you're against him. Right? Yeah. NBA. Kobe. Use up. Oh! 9-pointer! Dang it! Wait, I need Ryan, fast shot. 7-0. 3-0. Oh, mine. Nick's got nothing. Yeah, I got nothing. Boom. No! I got rebound. No, never mind. That's it. Alright, I gotta keep one of them. Okay, so 10-3-2. 10-3. Yeah. 10-3-2. Alright, go. Come on. So got the rebound. Oh God. No! Got it! Dang it! Come on. Really shoot! And he misses! Oh, he misses again! Another miss! Now! Here we go, you two. And you suck. No, but you have to make it. Yes! Yes, I do! No! Oh, you okay? Oh my God. Bro, you stop recording. Yeah, I'll just cut that part out, right? Yeah, I'll cut it out. We're gonna go get a new shirt. Okay, bye. Alright, so guys, we'll be right back. We're just gonna continue this. But we can't play without him. No, we can't. Okay. Of course you make every shot now. But if I make it counts, because I have 0. Because I'm losing. Alright, ready? I'm gonna try to go for my 2 points. Went into the water. Oh my God, my ID is so annoying. What? My ID is so annoying. Ah! Oh, suck again. You suck. 6, 10, 4. What? Okay. We don't see me making a single shot. Nope. And I'm a single. Bro, this is impossible. Try going for it. Right here? No, you gotta go. Oh, that? Oh, shoot. Oh! In the water. Really? So wet. More like not my fault shot. Here. I wish you could alley-oop me, but I can't jump, so I ain't got them hops. Oh, are you kidding me? but you still have to tell him because I forget.
Cut the part out where we're talking about the video.
What?
Cut the part out where we're actually talking about the video.
Hey, you want to go street ball? You want to go grandma style? I made the poo-poo come out. Grandma style! Mine! Yo, you actually hurt me.